Southern fried chicken. Southern fried chicken emerged from two separate culinary traditions that combined in the American South during the 18th and 19th centuries. Scottish immigrants brought the technique of frying chicken in fat, while West African enslaved people contributed the practice of heavily seasoning and marinating the meat before cooking. Neither tradition alone produced the dish. The combination of Scottish frying method and African spicing created what became the foundation for nearly every fried chicken style that followed. The chicken is coated in seasoned flour and fried in a cast iron pan or deep fryer until the crust sets hard and golden. It became central to Southern family culture and Sunday meals throughout the 19th century and remains the base from which Korean, Japanese, and Nashville styles all developed.
Buttermilk fried chicken is built around a single step that changes the texture of the meat entirely. The chicken soaks in buttermilk for anywhere between 2 hours and 24 hours before any flour touches it. Buttermilk is mildly acidic, and that acidity slowly breaks down the protein structures inside the muscle fibers, relaxing them and allowing the meat to hold more moisture during frying. The lactic acid also helps the flour coating grip the surface more firmly, producing a thicker and craggier crust with more texture than standard flour alone creates. The technique became widespread across American home cooking through the 20th century. Some recipes add hot sauce or pickle juice to the buttermilk soak for extra flavor and additional tenderizing. Chick-fil-A built its entire menu around this method, though the company has never confirmed the exact details of its recipe.
Nashville Hot Chicken. Nashville Hot Chicken was created in Nashville, Tennessee, and the most widely told version of its origin begins as an act of revenge. A woman made an extremely spiced chicken for her unfaithful partner, expecting the heat to punish him. He enjoyed it instead. The Prince family, who operate Prince's Hot Chicken Shack, are credited with developing and popularizing the style from the 1930s onward. The dish begins as standard fried chicken, then receives a paste made immediately after frying from cayenne pepper, brown sugar, and the hot frying oil itself. The residual oil activates the spice and drives the heat into the crust rather than sitting on top of it. It is served on white bread with pickle slices, which absorb the excess spiced oil. Nashville hot chicken remained a local specialty for decades before spreading nationally through the 2010s when fast food chains began releasing their own versions.
KFC did not invent fried chicken. He invented a system for cooking it quickly, consistently, and at scale, then franchised that system around the world. Sanders developed his recipe in Corbin, Kentucky in the 1930s at a roadside restaurant where he used a pressure fryer and a blend of seasoning he described as 11 herbs and spices. Pressure frying sealed moisture inside the meat while cutting cooking time from around 15 minutes to under 9. He began franchising the concept in the 1952 and by 1964 had sold the company with over 600 locations already running. KFC introduced fried chicken as a food category to countries where it had no prior tradition. In Japan, a 1974 marketing campaign positioned KFC as a Christmas meal, and the association became so strong that Japanese families now book KFC weeks in advance every December. The chain operates in over 150 countries.
Buffalo wings. Buffalo wings were created in 1964 at the Anchor Bar in Buffalo, New York, by Teresa Bellissimo. The most repeated version of the story is that the bar received a mistaken delivery of chicken wings instead of the chicken parts they had ordered, and Bellissimo deep-fried them and covered them in hot sauce rather than let them go to waste. She served them with blue cheese dressing and celery because those were the ingredients available. The wings were fried without any coating or breading, which is what separates buffalo wings from most other fried chicken styles. The sauce, a combination of hot sauce and melted butter, is applied after frying. For years, the dish remained a regional food found only around Buffalo and upstate New York. By the mid-1980s, it had spread nationally, and by the 1990s, buffalo wings were a standard item in bars and restaurants across the United States, Canada, and eventually Britain and Australia.
Korean fried chicken. Korean fried chicken developed directly from contact with American soldiers during the Korean War in the early 1950s. African-American soldiers brought Southern frying techniques to South Korea, and local cooks absorbed the method and rebuilt the dish using Korean ingredients and a different frying approach. The defining technique is double frying. The chicken is fried once at a lower temperature to cook the meat through, then removed, rested briefly, and fried again at a higher temperature. The second fry drives remaining moisture out of the coating and creates a thin, glass-like crust that stays crisp for hours without softening. The finished pieces are tossed in sauce, either a sweet soy and garlic glaze or a fermented chili paste called gochujang. In South Korea, fried chicken is served alongside beer and is a standard item in bars nationwide. The combination is called chimek, a word combining the Korean words for chicken and beer.